Hi guys, it's Paschal here. So in this video, I'm gonna be talking to you about what I've been working on for the past 3 years. Now, if you don't know me, my name is Paschal Nwanaji. I started my online business in 2017. So ever since I started sharing some of my results, people start reaching out and start asking me questions. Now, what am I basically doing to create the outcome and the results that I'm getting in my business? I tell them it's very simple. I do one or two things every single day. It's a repeated action. It's a concept that I got from a single book that I've been using now to help myself and my family and to help anybody. In case if you're looking to start making money online, you have to understand very basics, simple principles. So I got a special guest here, and his name is Royce Nwanaji. Vincent. Yeah, good. So, a lot of people ask me questions regarding how much time do I need to put into the business to work? How much money do I need to invest to work? Now, when I get asked that question, the first thing, like if you're looking to start a business online, you are thinking of yourself in that space. But when they say the mindset has to change, you have to get, what I do is I get out of my own way and look at how many people I am impacting by the decision I'm about to make. Because in that way, I am no longer selfish. In that perspective, I am more like going in to with the hope that I'm going to impact lives. And that comes from very simple biblical principles. You have to be willing to love your neighbor as yourself. So, Royce, I'm going to tell you some of the simple things we do every single morning. Royce, what are the 5 things you do every morning?
We wash the dishes.
Okay.
We tidy up.
Okay.
We do our homework.
Okay.
And then do some exercise.
One more thing.
And we do our affirmations.
You do your affirmations. Right. So what type of affirmations do you do?
I do the ones that
What's your affirmation? How do you do it? I am
bold, I am smart, I am high, I'm loved, I'm brave, I'm strong, I'm honest, I'm helpful, I'm a leader, I care for others, I'm confident, I'm good, I'm sweat, I'm the fast and bad guy. I always try again, and I always do my best.
well done. Well, so the affirmation is very simple. It's from a very simple biblical um, quote. I think it's First Thessalonians 5 verse 16 or something. I can't remember exactly where it is. It says pray without ceasing. That's the concept. You have to say, bless you. You have to say things over and over again. That's the way we learn as a human being. So if you're looking to start a business online, if you're looking to change your life, help your family, help your children, you have to understand the principles of life, of learning. You have to do things repeatedly until it becomes fixed. Let's say, for instance, you want to ride a bicycle, you have to get out on the road and somebody will help you, guide you. You fall over multiple times until you get comfortable and confident, to be honest. It's a principle of learning. So once you understand that, life is going to be much more easy and fun. So, but you have to understand one thing. This is the one I literally struggle with now, and I am trying to instill in this young man here. What do leaders do?
They do things without being told.
That is very key. A lot of people ask me, where is the training? Can you do for me? How much does it cost? How long will I be learning this whole thing? These questions are important, but it's not as important as taking action. The only person that can prove that, give you the correct answer to all these things, you get it through experience. So you do that, you take that action without asking, because a lot of people ask me, like, after speaking to me, they said, let me go and speak to my wife. And often enough, I know where the conversation is going. It's not to, I'm disrespecting that they are giving their spouse the privilege or the honor to tell them what they're about to embark on, because it's literally going to affect them. But once I hear that comment, I realize it's a weakness in decision. True leaders, if you look at down history, they step out in front, take action, their family follows. Because it's in that moment you are demonstrating true leadership skills. You can go look back and ask questions and adjust your strategy, but you keep moving. You always stay in front, and you can only do that following your intuition. And it comes with a lot of confidence. And that's why leaders do things without being told. Yeah. So what's the final thing that they normally have to do? They have to take action.
Take
Massive action.
massive action.
Massive.
Massive.
Yeah. Massive actions. So when you do your homework sometimes, what does daddy do?
He does.
Oh, I do my homework as well. That's good. So when you fail your homework, do you feel bad?
No.
You just try again, is it?
I just tried.
These are simple things. It's easy for him to grow up and he'll be scared of what people will say about him. The reason for that is to instill in him the principles that it's okay to fail. Nobody really cares. And he should be confident or comfortable sharing that with somebody else so that he can learn. But if as we get older, you might worry about how people will judge you if you invest this money into this business and it doesn't come out right. What would your wife say about you? What would your friends say about you? So that fear of what they will say, remember, it hasn't happened. Those are some of the things that you are literally dealing with. That's why you are hesitating. You see, hesitating is one thing that leads to procrastination. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. And obviously you do this for like 7-10 years and you realize you are still in the same spot. Probably you've been doing it before this young man was born. How old are you now?
6.
You're a big boy now, is it? Very confident. Yeah? You're the best in your school. Yeah? Good.
Mm-hmm.
So you're starting school today, right?
How do you know?
Of course I know.
Wait, it was last year there was no schools.
Yeah.
It's going to start at school. Today.
Do you know why you stopped school? Because of the coronavirus, yeah. Alright guys, that's all I've got for you today. I hope you find that interesting. And if this is going to our YouTube channel, what are they supposed to do?
Smash that like button
And
subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
take care.